Kimi, inalala at nagpasalamat sa sweet moments nila ni Paulo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past.
Todo nga ang ginawang pasasalamat ng multimedia idol na si Kim Chiu sa lahat ng tagahanga at sumusuporta sa kanilang serye ni Paulo Avellino, ang seryeng Linlang at What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Dahil nga sa pagtitiwala ng fans at sa pamunuan ng ABS-CBN sa Dreamscape Entertainment sa pamumuno ng namayapang si Sir Deo Indrinal, ay mas lalong nakilala si Kimi, hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi sa Asia, kung saan sunod-sunod nga ang nominasyon na natanggap niya sa pagganap na Juliana sa Linlang at kasama rin siya sa Content Asia Awards kung saan ikinatuwa ng dalaga na ayon pa kay Chinita Princess. It was indeed an incredible journey. Hashtag, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim PH Finale. Maraming salamat po for watching and supporting. Hashtag, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim PH. It was indeed a memorable one, and we are all thankful for all your support from watching it on the @View Philippines app to our TV premiere for making us trend and making it a habit to watch new episodes from Monday, Wednesday, down to our weekend night habit on TV. Thank you, View, fam, for the trust, and of course, Dreamscape PH family. It may be our season finale on TV, but you can still watch us on the View app. Thank you for making us part of the most watched series on View. I have no words, just wanna thank each and everyone for making this project fun and amazing. Hashtag grateful. Hashtag, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Hashtag, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim PH. Nice one, boss. At Pau Avellino. Ganito nga tinitreasure ni Kimi ang bawat proyekto na ginagawa niya. Lalo na nga dito sa huli ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, kung saan kitang-kita ang sweetness nila ni Paulo on and off camera. Kahit naman tapos na ang kanilang proyekto na ginawa, ay malimit pa ring namamataan na magkasama sina Kim at Paulo sa pag-workout at ganun din sa pagja-jogging. Kaya naman naniniwala ang lahat, lalong higit ang kanilang mga supporters, na may something special nang nagaganap sa Kim Pao. Kayo, ano sa palagay nyo? Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.